Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. You can't see products manufactured by Sekisui Specialty Chemicals, but you can see their effects everywhere. Since 1959, Sekisui has made polyvinyl alcohol products, which are non-toxic, environmentally friendly, water-soluble polymers used in adhesives and coatings in everything from paper and film to oil fields, cementing, and construction. With operations in Kentucky, Texas, and Spain, this ISO-certified company has developed one of the most comprehensive lines of polyvinyl alcohol products available, which it sells to all areas around the world. It's backed by 300 dedicated employees. At Sekisui's Technology Center, scientists and engineers identify needs in the marketplace and then develop the chemistry to fulfill those needs. Newer developments include improved paper coatings, optical brightener enhancers, additives, and seed coatings in agricultural applications. The goal of each facility is to safely and efficiently produce quality products. The production facilities utilize Kaizen and 5S techniques to drive improvements in product quality and efficiency. Sekisui markets 4 primary product lines. Selvol is its most versatile product used in applications such as paper coatings, adhesives, and auto safety glass. Ultalux, Ultalock, and Premiol are the other brands produced and marketed by Sekisui. These products help preserve colors in fabrics, are used as packaging for household and industrial chemicals, and benefit productivity in the oil field. It is Sekisui's desire to bring benefit to society through environmentally friendly products, responsible production techniques, and innovative ideas for future products. To find out more about Sekisui Specialty Chemicals, visit its website at sekisui-sc.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.